Hi everyone, my name's Dan and welcome to my channel Speed and Power. Today I'm going to be taking the front bumper off my car to have some work done on it, and I'll go through the points of the damage and the other bits I'm going to be doing to the bumper. I'm taking these canards off. That's one of the main reasons why the bumper's coming off, so they can the holes can be refilled in. Not only that, as you can see, I've got this horrible great big bit of damage on my bumper there, and also got a big crack there as well. Obviously both canards have got to come off, and also my aftermarket grille that I've put on has come a bit loose on that side of the bumper. So yeah, that's the main reason why the bumper's coming off. So let's get cracking and get this bumper off. Hi everyone, as you can see I've taken the bumper off now. Car looks really weird without its bumper. So just zip tied it and put a bit of duct tape just hold up the under tray at the moment. See how this is the nicely freshly painted bumper without number plate on. Right, I've got the bumper back from the body shop. Now it's time to fit it. Right, the car's all done now. All I do now is just put the number plate back on. All nice and clean and shiny. Just put the number plate back on now. There you have it. Number plate's finally back on the car. All finished now. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done, and also hit the like button. And thanks for watching my video, and goodbye.